Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Next morning, day 2, we're gonna go out and try to get you another video today. It's kind of miserable weather. We'll make the best of it. Sherry's making a little bit of breakfast, got some sausage and eggs. Got the rest of the group here. We got a neighborhood cat that follows Cooper around. We were just talking to sorry if you're watching this, I forgot your name already, but he was mentioning that Mine Made here is housing some flood victims up here, and was telling us about the flood and everything. So shout out to Mine Made Adventure Park for helping them folks out. That's really cool. Hey kitty. So I just wanted to make note of that's really cool of them to do and help people out like that. That part kind of hits home because I live in a flood zone myself, and we've been flooded out many times. And the area I live in, FEMA actually either bought your house out or raised your house, so that's pretty cool that they do this stuff for them. So definitely wanted to make note of that. But it's supposed to rain for another couple hours and then just stay cloudy, so we're gonna go out. We're gonna try to find a waterfall. I looked on the map, did some searching. I think I might know where it's at, so we're gonna go look for that. Maybe hit a few black trails that I can find, and just wing it from there. So that's part of the plan. A waterfall, maybe, if we can find it, and some black trails, maybe show you some overlooks. I don't know how well the overlooks are gonna look today. We'll take the drone out. Tomorrow's supposed to be a little bit nicer, and see what we can find. Day 2, what do you think so far?
I like it.
I do too. I was just saying about the flood victims and stuff, that they have people up there and everything.
That's crazy.
I thought that was really cool of them to do that.
Yeah. I didn't realize how much rain they got.
No, I think he said 11 inches of rain.
Yeah.
I get our house. I'll throw up a picture of what my house looks like after 3 inches of rain. It's rough. I can only imagine 11 inches.
I can't imagine.
If we got 11 inches of rain at our house, our house would be gone. That's just crazy to think of, 11 inches of rain.
Yeah.
And I'm sure it's probably a short amount of time too. But we'll go out, we'll see what we can find for you to watch today. I did want to make mention that I have Verizon, and you have it too, right? You have AT&T now?
Yes, in my truck.
So yeah, in our truck and Scott's truck, we both have AT&T Wi-Fi. It's like satellite Wi-Fi that you can get with your truck. So when I don't have Verizon service, we always have AT&T service. So we have like kind of the best of both worlds, depending on where we ride. That way we at least have internet. For places that we don't have Verizon, we have AT&T. But I have full service up here at this campground, which is cool. When you come out into the country like this, most of the time you don't have any service.
I have full service too, and I have T-Mobile on my handhelds.
Yeah, there's a lot of times too that I don't have service inside my camper, and I do here, which is pretty cool.
Yes.
I think it's because I'm surrounded in metal, aluminum. It kind of keeps everything out. But I wanted to make note of that you do have service here, at least Verizon and AT&T and T-Mobile. But we're gonna eat, and then we're gonna gear up. We're gonna head out of here, and I think the first place we'll try to find is the waterfall. We'll go down. We'll see if we can find the waterfall to play around on. I know of 2. I only know of where one is. So we'll see. We'll see what we can find. Coming down this trail, I figured I'd kick the camera on real quick and to show you the view that we have. Looks amazing. like a sandy bottom on it. After a little searching, finally found it. This is the waterfall that we were looking for. I know there's another one. I don't know where it's at yet. We'll keep looking, but that's really cool. Probably hard to see on there, but it looks like it says mill is the waypoint. Sherry's gonna film from over here. Scott's gonna film from over there. I'm gonna fill it out and see, and then once I get up, if I get up, I'll film from the top. And then we'll see if anyone else wants to follow.
Alright, Jesse's gonna pull up to the waterfall, fill it out, see how deep it is.
You know how deep the water is yet?
Yeah, we don't know. We're gonna find out really fast.
Really don't feel like getting wet today.
No, definitely don't want to get wet today, that's for sure. Alright, it looks like we don't have to worry about getting wet.
Might be a little bump.
Just a tiny bump.
Cool. The rock looks awesome. You think, Coop?
That was cool. It's the technical level isn't really there, but it's still cool to climb a waterfall like that. There's another little climb here. Not really sure what this was at one time. If you know, let me know in the comments. It'd be nice to know the history of some of these things. This looks pretty wild. I'm gonna try to get through here without getting completely soaked. I got my boots on. It's pretty cool. It's just awesome how water shapes rocks like this. Dang, I think I want to be over there. All right. Whew, a little slick. Definitely don't want to fall today. I'm good. This is pretty crazy. They stacked the rocks in here. We'll get Scott coming up this. What do you think, Coop? Pretty cool, isn't it? What's that? I don't know. I'll have to look. We might be able to get out up here. Wouldn't want to run over that pipe in the ground there with your tire, would you? geez. If I fall here, I'm going all the way down into that. This is dumb. Okay, I'm not doing that anymore.
You want me to go down there when Sherry comes up?
Yeah, if you could. Yeah, don't want to fall on that either. That, my goodness. Got the R-Max, 32-inch Zillas, and Turner axles all the way around. I forgot to mention in the last video too, I think so. If you're following along in our Bear Wallow series, he broke his front, oh, I'm drawing a blank, steering rack. He broke his steering rack. He has an upgraded Weller. I'll have to get that on camera and show you that. It looks a lot beefier and a lot better, so I think that will be taken care of. But we got Sherry coming up now. What up? Careful. Once Sherry climbs this, I'm here. I'll take you up and I'll show you the steering rack on the R-Max. Really hard to see. But it is a Weller and the tie rods. Alright, this is our first black trail that we're hitting. Technically, black trail, I guess it's on the map. Trail 61, right by the substation. We're going, I don't know if we're going to be going up it or down it. I have no idea. Never been here, don't know how these are laid out, but that's what we're getting ready to do now. Thinking we might be going down it just because we're kind of already at the top of the hill or the mountain, whatever you want to say. Got you right on the edge of a mountain side there, don't they? Alright, let's see if we can navigate this. This looks a little tricky. Hold this, Scoop. Okay, we're good. Yeah. This is a tricky little spot right here, that's for sure.
I can't turn to begin with.
Get a little floaty. Your back right tire's not on the ground. There you go. Nice.
That's saying something with the suspension articulation that I have.
It's probably not going to show up well on camera. That's pretty rough.
Gonna have to move.
Yeah, we're getting moved up here. Come down in further and then turn passenger and back up. Keep coming. Keep coming. Okay. Nice job. Perfect. I didn't even know you were back there.
Hey, you made that look easier than everybody.
I didn't even see you back there. You like disappeared. I thought you were behind a tree.
Nice job, man.
All right, and Pro R. Oh.
Wow.
I said, really? He's like,
Your tire is probably 2 feet off the ground.
look, it wasn't even close.
Oh, yeah. He says it wasn't close.
It was closer than you think
It was.
Was it?
Yeah,
What was
you were close to going over.
it? It didn't feel like it was past the point.
Well, I don't know that it was past the point, but it looks scary.
Yeah. She was scared.
I said, dude, I gonna try that? He said, no.
No.
I said,
You take a tree with you, make every turn.
I mean, it's slick. What are you gonna do?
Easier than everybody I know.
This is a scenic overlook, but before we go over there, I gotta turn around. All right. I think I'll just park here. How about that? Hey, there's a tree behind you. Man, got a radius. Almost got your radius rod. Yeah, you backed right into the radius rod. If you want, you can pull up and move over a little more. You can straddle it. It's all right though. Okay. Go ahead and shut it down. All right, this is labeled Scenic Overlook Trail 58. Blue Trail, I believe Blue Trail 58. Saw a sign for 58. Man, I wish it wasn't like rainy. Have my drone to fly out here. Tomorrow's supposed to be nicer. I'll get the drone out tomorrow. Get you some overhead views. Oh, this is really cool. This is pretty cool. I was just telling everyone I wish I had my, or I wish it was nicer out. I could fly the drone.
I just tried to step on a step and there was actually nothing there.
This rock like overhangs. Look at that rock there.
That's probably like what we're standing on.
Yeah. Yeah, there's nothing below this rock, Scott.
Yeah, it's like overhanging.
Yeah.
I'm gonna walk down.
Okay.
Here, Punk.
Hmm?
Take a selfie with me.
Okay. Selfie time.
Oh, let's see what we got. Kind of cool.
How much overhang?
10 feet.
Really?
How much overhang can it hang if it overhangs?
Yeah, maybe not 10 feet. 6 feet. What do we got here? Maybe it's just rain droplets. Thought maybe there might be some kind of animal footprints, but I'm not thinking so now. Kind of cool. Pretty neat. It's dry as a bone right here and super wet out there. Pretty cool. Hey, what's the name of this?
It just says Scenic Overlook.
Scenic Overlook.
Hi.
Hi. What is this? Trail 58.
58.
Trail 58, guys. Pretty cool. If you're on it, check this out. It's pretty neat.
Alright, a little bit past the Scenic Overlook. Looks like we came up one side of the trail and we're going down the other side. So I'll get the camera on and we'll film down this spot. Sorry about how noisy the brakes are. Hey Sherry. Hold on a second, let me get down here and film everyone. Alright. Woo! Back end's coming off the ground. Ugh. Man. Pretty nasty spot up here. Easy peasy. I was actually able to hug that bank up there. I didn't fall in until about right there. Pretty steep.
That right side is locked, and up there, it has so long.
Alright, one down, couple to go. This is the spot that I straddled. You can see my tire mark all the way up down to there. You see my tire mark?
Yeah. Oh.
You're climbing it. Keep going that way. Nice. Nice. Come down a little bit. Yep. Nice job, nice job. It's not too bad. I mean, you can get down in it and follow this, but you just run the risk of ripping plastic off on that route. Plus, it's fun to try to stay on a bank like that. I think the R-Max is up next. All right, R-Max is coming down. We'll see what line he takes. I will say though, the trails here that are labeled black, I will say are a step above maybe colors on any other system, like say Hatfield McCoy. This would probably be a double black there. Just keep that in mind. If you're used to hitting blacks there and you're gonna hit blacks here, might be a little bit harder. Nice job. Oh, he's in a bad.
There we go.
Hold on, Jason, we'll hook you up. Don't move. Scott! We need recovery. We're coming.
Huh?
We're coming.
Yeah. Nothing's broke yet. But
Wedged in pretty good here.
We need a machine and a snatch block.
yeah, big time. Turn around.
I don't know if you can turn around or just
You hear it?
something dripping. It could just be water off the skid plate.
It could be
All right, we're gonna get a machine, turn around and come up. Do you want out or are you good? I can help you out if you want out.
I don't know.
You're not going anywhere. You're wedged between a tree there and a tree there.
On both sides?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I mean, it's just a little tree, but you're not going anywhere.
I ate too much of the bank.
Okay. We're gonna turn around and bring a machine up here to get a winch hooked up. I'm up behind him. Ooh. Let's see. I think we're gonna hook onto this tree, come back down to his corner of the cage, and we're gonna pull him this way, flatten him back down. Whew. Man, yeah, could have went bad, but it didn't, so all good for now. All right, we repositioned this line to be on the outside of the tree so it wasn't in his tire area.
Hey Cooper, give me some slack.
Because I went in the ditch and that thing rubbed against it, dented my door in,
Like,
and it lost my door. I
yeah,
couldn't
see
get
that
out.
root down there, buddy?
That's why I stratted. I figured that root would just rip the side up.
Because my doors are aluminum, they stay,
Yeah.
and it like pinched
All right,
it
thanks,
so tight
Cooper.
I couldn't get out. Me and Scott both had to rip it.
Out just a little bit. Nope, we're good. We're good. We're good.
It's gonna take 2 or 3 maybe.
All right, so where's that black thing at? Yeah.
Let me get out of the way here a little bit, Coop. You get out of the way too, Coop. Coop, down there.
I'll go behind.
Yep. Get down here a little bit. Uh-huh.
Man, we're probably in danger zone if something breaks.
Right.
You might want to start yours.
If that winch breaks, it's going for a ride.
Well,
Well, no, I don't think you're gonna go for a ride.
Yeah, it'll go right back into that spot.
Well,
Nah, it's looking really good.
It feels better.
Yeah, I bet. I'd just leave him.
Like front wheels off the ground.
I would just leave him until you're backed up. Leave him hooked up.
Yeah.
absolutely.
Oh, my gloves. Hold on. Let me grab my gloves.
So now what are you thinking?
I'm thinking you back up.
So we're gonna try to let it back and see if we can back up.
Yeah.
Let out.
I would, yeah, just follow along with him with the winch.
See when he's ready.
What are you thinking, Jason?
Yeah, I mean, it's got to be key because if he drives forward right now, I'm flopping back.
Right.
He's gonna winch in as you're backing up.
The thing is, if once I get back a foot and I can turn the wheels that way, to fall back in on the front end.
Yes. And then you're
We'll
good.
just keep backing up. We'll keeping you tight. You can only go back about 4 or 5 feet. No, winch in. Went in. Just keep going in.
Once it falls down, it'll be nothing.
Little bit.
All right.
Perfect.
Now we're good.
Perfect.
Now let me get up so I get the wheels turned because they're on the bank. All right.
You good? We can unhook you.
You want unhooked? You
Well,
just
if I go that way, you can winch in or back up so I get past this hump. But
Okay, just
I think
winch
we're
out
fine
with
now.
him. Watch his white line so we don't unspool his. Scott says he's overstimulated. He needs a break.
Hanging on the edge of the cliff.
Oh, thanks for sticking with us this far. Thanks for tuning into our videos. I want to say a huge thanks to you guys for watching and liking and subscribing on our videos. We really appreciate it. We're gonna end this one off here. Huge shout out to our channel members and sponsors up on the screen. Without you guys, a lot of this wouldn't be possible. So huge thanks to you. Huge thanks for everyone watching our videos. We get to come out here and enjoy stuff like this by the ads that run in our videos. So if you're seeing an ad, that's money in our pocket to be able to come out here and provide you with more videos. So huge thanks to everyone. Thanks for watching our videos. Thanks for buying our merch off of our website. Our tablet sales have gone through the roof. If you're interested in a GPS, you can check out the canamcrew.com. All of our merch, stickers, tablets, all that stuff is on there. Our build list, our events, a bunch of information on there. Check that out. And we're gonna end this one off here, but we're gonna go out and see if we can get you another one today. We're just gonna ride around and explore some of the trails here. We'll get the cameras on when we see something interesting or a trail we want to film, and we'll see you on the next one. So thanks everyone.